Hey Sherry Ram, Mike Sherry here with Paul Sherry Ram Commercial, and behind me today is a kind of unicorn right now. This is a Ram Cutaway Promaster chassis. It's the 3500 or the 1-ton chassis, the largest one, and it's been outfitted with a Bay Bridge box on the back here. So this is about 13.5 foot long box, about 7 foot wide box, 7 foot tall box on that Ram Promaster chassis, which is a front wheel drive chassis. We had a number of these in the spring and they all sold really quick, and customers that bought these were like moving companies, furniture stores like these. Small businesses love them because you can get in and out of tight areas, front wheel drive, you don't have to worry about snow and getting stuck, things like that. Just a great transporter box van here. The box on the back is built by Bay Bridge out of Bristol, Indiana. It's American made. It's got the bulkhead up here with diamond plate, extruded aluminum corners there, so if you happen to hit it with a tree branch or something, it's real strong up there on that high impact point. Nice smooth finish here. Looks like aluminum sheeting, so it's going to be easy to add company graphics on it. Literally have a rolling billboard, which a nice platform to start that on. The chassis here is all new for this year, so they upgraded the chassis in 2022. I'll go over that stuff here when we get to the front end, but let's talk about the back here. So again, it's probably measures 14 foot exterior. I like to measure the interior space because I know that's would be important to me if I was looking for a moving van. Interior space is about 13.5 foot long, 7 foot 2 inches wide. Does come with a ramp here. It's an aluminum pull-out ramp. Let's see if I can pull it out here. It's 29 inches from here to here. Easily can fit a dolly. It folds all out and pushes in. It's on rollers. I'm just doing it with one hand. Just clips right in here, and you can ramp things in and out very easily. It's nice that it stows away and it's kind of out of your way. It's got this little latch to keep it in place. And then the bumper here is a nice wide footprint. I'd say it's over 12 inches wide, so easy to get in and out. It's got a grab handle on either side of the box to help the occupants get in and out of the box itself. So it does have LED light in here, and if you notice, the ceiling is also a little bit of translucent, so if it's light outside, you're going to get a little natural daylight in here as well. It's got the door here, which I got it locked. I'll show you that when we get inside, but that'll allow you to go into the cab of the van. It's got your tie downs, 2 of them along the wall. The walls are all finished out. The floor is really strong. It's 2x6 shiplap sheeting, bolted in, looks like every 1.5 feet or so. So it's definitely a durable floor there. Full warranty on the box, full warranty on the chassis. Got the roller door here, spring assisted, just like your garage door would be. You can see the spring up there. It's easy to raise and lower. Strap to help you out, got a handle. It's got a big latch here that, if you look here, there's a spot to put a deadbolt lock so your items can be secure. It's a Whitting door, a Bay Bridge, a backup camera installed. Nice setup. Let's talk about the chassis. I'm excited about the chassis. So the Promaster has been in the United States. It's based off the Fiat Ducato van, I believe, out of Europe. And it's been in the United States since 2013 or 14, and not much updates. So we got an update this year. Powertrain still the 3.6 liter Pentastar. Big improvement on the transmission, went from a 6-speed to a 9-speed. So it's a little bit more efficient there. And also the steering, they've done something to it. It's super smooth on the steering, which really helps it out, especially with the box fans not all over the place. And then the whole dash is all redesigned, more modern, got more features we're used to seeing in our automobiles, which seems like commercial always is the last to upgrade. Got power mirrors, it's the oversized mirrors that are heated, of course power windows, plenty of storage in the door, beverage, all that. It's got an e-brake that's electronic, which is nice from the old handle one we had before. Got the steering wheel here. It's got adaptive cruise control in addition to your normal cruise control. Hands-free connectivity on the steering wheel. The dash looks super old school before, now it's super new school. It's got a digital dash center, analog on the left and right for the speedo and tach. The center is adjustable, what shows up, speedometer, vehicle info, audio, messages. So a lot of different settings you can customize there. Again, 9-speed automatic transmission this year. The radio is all redesigned. It was an antiquated radio back in 2021. It's all touchscreen now. AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. It's got vehicle controls. It's got Bluetooth, aux port, things like that for the radio. It's also customizable, the home screen, what shows up there. Heat and air conditioning controls are modern looking, volume tuning, all that. Down through here, I like this. They've added a spot for a phone. Everyone carries one now. You got to have a spot for it. Keyless entry with panic, and then 3 beverage holders down low here. Plenty of USB to plug in your phone, even an old school 12-volt power if you still have one of those. So, did mention I'll show you this door here. So, this is just access for in between the cab and the box. That's kind of nice. Not all vans have that. This being a cutaway chassis, you can do that on these. So, it's a nice thing to have. And then just got a little latch down there to keep it secure, either in the open position or the closed position. You can lock it in place. So cool van, cool product. I don't think we'll have this around too long. Let me show you one more thing. So it does have the backup camera. They've upgraded it to the rear view camera part here. They took that out and added the backup camera up here, which I like. It's more, you're more prone to look up here than down here at the radio for the backup, because we're just used to looking in the rear view mirror. So it's nice having that. When you put it in reverse, this shows up there. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, if you're interested in this van, get in contact with us. We do have a limited supply of these. These chassis have been super hard to find lately. So if you are interested, just call us. We'll check availability and see if they're still available. But if you have use for it and there's something that this van will help you do your job or your business to succeed, let us know. We'll do our very best to help you out. Financing is available both on the business side and the personal side. Just ask for details about that. We work with over 20 banks, so got a lot of experience in that as well. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you like our honest sales approach, just let me down in the comments section. That really helps me out, and I'd really appreciate that. And it's been my pleasure. Take care, everyone.